I tell you, when it rains, it pours. You ever heard of the thing when something happens, it comes in threes, usually? Well, I just found out that this faucet, when you press the button, it's supposed to stream. Well, the streamer doesn't want to work. I don't know if I can fix that or if it's just getting too old or what the deal is. I'm probably going to have to replace that faucet. And then in the bathroom, there's some wallpaper that's coming loose in another bathroom. And in this bathroom, the toilet handle just started acting up. And I don't know what the deal is with that. And that's what this video is about. I'm going to try to take this, this bathroom handle. See how it's come off. It's come off its little monument type thing, and I think I can put it back on there. I don't think it's broken, but I think I'm going to have to take it out. Let's just see here. And another thing I found I'm going to have to do is clean the bathroom because the top of this looks a little dusty, so that tells me the rest of the bathroom's probably pretty dusty and stuff. Well, anyway, the handle arm. See, it's one of these kind that has the little bend in it, and this is supposed to lift the flapper up, obviously. And when I try to rehook this, it's not hooking on there.